This is the 2024 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT55, the second generation of AMG's flagship coupe. It's bigger, more advanced, more versatile than ever. But does it still feel like a true AMG? Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming reviews. I've got more in-depth looks at the latest cars every week. Okay, so now the drive of this amazing Mercedes-Benz, sitting here in this cockpit, and I would truly 100% call it that. This is a cockpit. This just feels like a fighter jet. Everything is just right here at you, all of your controls, and this feels so purpose-built. There's just nothing else this thing is designed to do but to drive it, and drive it really fast. It feels like we're sitting on a rocket. You can probably hear the engine rumbling. That's because right now we're in track mode, and now we're in Sport Plus mode. You can see here on the screen Sport Plus mode. Right here is our gear selector. We're going to pull it down. I felt the emergency brake disengage, and now there's just this rumbling underneath me. This car is the first car in a long while that is intimidating on the drive. I'm sure you could hear that. Gosh, I wish you could be here with me to experience that. God, it smacks you. It feels like there's somebody behind you shoving you, just violently shoving you like that. It's frustrating that I cannot find the words to describe what this thing feels like. The twin turbo V8 is just so aggressive, and that bark and that crackle on liftoff is just second to none. As you could hear in that takeoff right there, the transmission, those instant shifts, and it's crisp, and it has just this pungent mechanical feedback that is so radically different than any car out there. Let's do a U-ey here. I wish I had a real curvy road and man, these tires pick up. Look at that, look at that. And the suspension, those adaptive dampers, man, they balance the compliance with track ready rigidity. I mean, it's rigid, but look at that. I don't know if you can tell, but where I point it instantly goes. There is no hesitation. It's so flat and it's so planted that with a car that looks like this, with the huge hood and with a slingshot with just a little bit in the back, you wouldn't think that a car like that would be this planted. It is amazing. The throttle manipulation, I mean, it is super intuitive. The weight transfer is very predictable, although at some points when you really punch it and you feel that kick, it does feel like that rear end is susceptible to breaking away from you. It doesn't just go fast. It's like it communicates back to you. And like when you're in curves and when you're on a straightaway really on it, it talks back to you. This car would really get me in trouble. And what's crazy about it is that the feedback is just, it feels magnetic. I don't feels like it's just stuck on the road. But like I said a minute ago, it's just hard to describe it. And now we're just cruising, so we're going to put it in comfort mode, and it should just adapt. And now it's pleasant. There's more pedal travel on the accelerator, but that's still there as well. I knew when I saw this car at Impex, this thing was calling to me saying, Brock, drive me, put me on your channel. Okay, everybody, that's our look at the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GT55. I would love to know what you think about this amazing machine. Thanks to Impex Auto Sales in Greensboro, North Carolina for the opportunity to film it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, as I mentioned before. But remember, the most important thing of all, everybody, have a wonderful day.